Hello, this is Sgt.Stotz, and this is uh, what I do to record anything on my screen. Um, and it is the simplest, easiest way. I do have another software that I do use if I want to get a little more complex with it. But as far as simple and easy and a good way to record a video that you may post it on online somewhere, Facebook, YouTube, well, you know the game, is to use this program. Now, it's very, very simple. I don't think you can get any simpler. So the first thing you need to do is you open up a browser and go to a search window and type show more. So there we are. And hit enter, of course, and then go ahead and go to that. Usually it's the top one. Now, right away it loads the page and you have the page. It says start recording. Sounds simple. It's not actually that easy. It's a little weird, but hit start recording. Now, when it opens this window, simply cancel that. Uh, Now, what it will do will go ahead and give you the opportunity to download the launcher, which is required to use it. So just go ahead and download the launcher. And as you'll see, this does not take long. Save the file. I personally save everything on my desktop because for me it's just very, very much easier to find. And there you go. Now, go ahead and find that file. And you can close the browser to do this or not. It's up to you. Open the file. Install that. It can't be much simpler. Go back to the web page to start. And there you go. Now, from this point forward, after it launches this application, you will be able to simply, let's close the browser, close the application. Go ahead and open your browser. Now, what I've done is I've saved that web page in over here on my favorites, of course, or bookmark, whichever you may want to call it. And there it is. I hit start recording, launching application. There you go. Just ignore that. I don't know what happens there. Every now and then we get that. I think it's because I am presently using another program to record this one with. You shouldn't get that. It is conflicting with what I'm doing. So go ahead and stretch it out like that. Now, if you don't want this to show, raise this up a little at a time and you'll find that you can pop it right out of the video and right down there, and it shouldn't show while you're recording. Now, you can still work through this window like that. I am going to go ahead and raise this up a little so I can open a program called Memu. Memu is an Android emulator, and another one thing about that is it is very, very easy to, there it is, to record or to play Android apps with it. It works very well with most, much better than a lot of other programs I've used. There's no setup with Memu. So if you want to record an Android app, here we go again. It's kind of a combined video. Now, we've already downloaded the recorder and I've shown you how that works, and it is as simple as it looks. So here we go. This is Memu, and I'm going to go ahead and hit record is what I would do, and then I would click on the program that I want to record. Right now it's recording everything on my screen. I'm going to go ahead and close Memu because I think you get the idea. Also, another deal with that is down here you have options. Very, very important. Go to General, then right here. Now, I've chosen to save it right on my desktop. So I have a folder on my desktop. Actually, there is no folder. It just saves it right on my desktop. So every recording I do saves to your desktop. Now remember that, because there you can save it anywhere. You can put a folder in your desktop. You can pick that. That's simply right here. Choose your output folder, and for me, as you see, I've chosen my desktop. So it really doesn't get any simpler than that, and I hope that I've shown you something functional and useful here, and yeah, please use this if you want to start off and learn and then move forward. Now, after this program, I would suggest you move on to OBS software, which is what I'm recording with right now, because that puts my little face down in the corner of the box, and people are used to seeing that. I'm going to go ahead and close this program. And it has no watermarks. It does not cost anything, and it does the job well. So again, I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Use wisely and keep on smiling. Sgt.Stotz again, signing off.